Hello, welcome back to Moga Dishes. Today we are going to be making blueberry cupcake. You're going to start off by grabbing 4 tablespoons of butter. You can use this kind of butter, it's my favorite kind, or any butter of your choosing. Then we're going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, While the other ingredients are mixing, you're going to want to sift 1 cup of flour into the bowl. You're also going to want to add half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Now, once you're done whisking, you're going to want to set that aside and slowly add 1 cup of sour cream into the mixture. Then, slowly add in the flour mixture. Now, I'm drying out my blueberries, so I'm just adding 2 containers of blueberries and adding it into a small flour mixture, and I'm just mixing them together. Now, I'm just taking all of the excess flour out, and I'm going to add the blueberries into the other mixture. Now once you're done mixing all the blueberries together, you're just going to want to add a pinch of vanilla sugar and mix. Then add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Now I'm putting my cupcake batter into a cupcake tray. I'm filling them in a little bit above halfway. And I just throw them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 20 to 25 minutes. Now I'm making the icing. I use 1 whole brick of Philadelphia cream cheese and I just mix it until it becomes soft. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of half and half. I also added half a cup of powdered sugar. Before icing your cupcakes, you're going to want to let them sit out for around 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm just mixing up some jam. I'm essentially just softening it for the icing. Now I'm just doing a layering technique. I add 1 tablespoon of the jam and then I just layer it with the frosting and I just keep doing that. Now you're just going to want to put your icing on your cupcakes once they are ready. And that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you did. Comment down below any other foods you'd want me to make. Have a nice day and bye.